instructions for this.
A little known fact, house fires kill more people in an average year than all other domestic natural disasters combined. And they can be prevented with working smoke alarms. So we just want to thank you so much for making this day so special for us.
Hey, I'm Vivian Cox-Fraser, President and CEO of the Urban League of Essex County, and we're excited to be partnering with the Red Cross today on Martin Luther King's birthday, the day of service, and we are going to be installing smoke detectors in homes in the West Ward of Newark. That's very important to the Urban League because we're revitalizing communities through building homes and engaging residents and making neighborhoods safer. So this partnership with the Red Cross is very important. The Red Cross is certainly known for their disaster services, but this is an important way to